It is a fact that over half of Americans are overweight. With most of us having busy schedules, it's not so easy to stick to diets or work out on a regular basis. But all hope is not lost. The following advice should help you lose those unwanted pounds easily by following a safe diet plan and exercising. The first piece of advice deals with exercising. Always exercise on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Take a walk on a treadmill or around the block a few times. 10 minutes will make a difference by burning stored energy, namely fat. The second useful tip is not eating late night snacks. If you avoid snacking 3 hours before bedtime, you won't be storing fat, and you will be amazed at the results. Tip number 3 suggests that if you are going to drink coffee, make it black. Fancy coffee-flavored drinks with cream and sugar are loaded with calories, as opposed to 0 in a good old cup of black coffee. Tip 4 recommends that you eat 4 or 5 small meals a day rather than the traditional 3. Your metabolism needs constant fuel to burn fat. If you feed it in small amounts several times, your metabolism stays high and burns more calories. Finally, cut down on your carbohydrate intake. This will make a huge difference in how much and how quickly you will lose weight. Eliminate as much bread and other starches as you can from your diet, and you'll see why it works when you step on the scale. Take this advice, and you'll see what easy weight loss dieting is all about.